In this tutorial, I will take you through the initial setup of the Samsung Galaxy S6 and the S6 Edge. So this is the screen that you will be met with when you first turn your device on, and as you can see, we can scroll to select our region, and when you have selected your region, we can click the yellow circle as you can see here to go to the next stage. If you have problems with hearing, vision or dexterity, simply tap on accessibility and follow the instructions from there. So next up, it's going to ask us to select our Wi-Fi network. So I will go ahead and select this. Then we enter our password. I will quickly do this off screen. When we have entered our password, simply click connect and it will connect to our Wi-Fi network. While it's still connecting, you can go ahead and click next and agree or disagree to the terms and conditions. Click next again and agree, and you'll be taken to the next stage where it will check for some software updates and app updates. As you can see, now we have tap and go, which will allow you to quickly copy any Google accounts, backed up apps or data from an existing Android device. To copy, all that you have to do is follow the simple steps, make sure that your other device is on and unlocked, and briefly place the two devices back to back until you hear an audible tone, and it will then go ahead and transfer all of your data, etc. If you would like I will do, we will skip this step and move on. Now what we will do, you can go ahead and enter your Google account and password and sign in, or we can do that at a later stage. From this point, we can go ahead and select the time zone in which we live in, but if you connected to Wi-Fi, usually the date and time automatically populates, so you don't have to worry. Click next again. In here, we can give the device a name. I will give it Clove. You can give it a last name, but I will skip this step. Simply click next. And again, we will agree or disagree to the Google services. At this stage, we can then create or sign in to a Samsung account, which will allow you to get access to all of these things here, like backup and restore, track workouts and diet, and utilize all the built-in Samsung apps. So you can go ahead and create an account. It will just ask you to make up a username and password, and you will be good to go. On this step, you can go ahead and set up a wake up command. S-Voice helps you control your device with your voice. Use your voice to easily wake up your device, open apps, make calls and more. So let's go ahead and set this up. So all it says is tap start and say the wake up command of our choice 4 times, and your command should be 3 to 5 syllables long. For example, hi Galaxy or hi there. Hi Jarvis. Hi Jarvis. Hi Jarvis. Hi Jarvis. Now it will check that all 4 have matched. As you can see, we are now good to go. So setup is complete and we can now wake up the device with the command, or we can do things like call Charlie Mobile, all these other cool things like search for contacts, set memos, add calendar appointments and all that good stuff. So all we have to do is click done. Now we will go ahead and add a fingerprint. So if we click add, all we have to do is click confirm, then simply press your thumb on the home button, moving it around each time to ensure that your whole thumbprint is covering the home button and that the fingerprint is actually read fully, to ensure that no matter which position you put it in, the device will unlock. So as you can see, it is now a success, and we will enter a 6-character password with at least 1 letter and number to ensure that it is backed up. So I will go ahead and enter my dog's name, Missy. 1, 2, 3, continue, Missy. 1, 2, 3. Simply click OK. OK, and fingerprint is now enabled. At this stage we can decide whether we want to use easy mode or not. Preferably, if you've never used an Android device, this may be a good option, but for now we will click next. You can go ahead and set up Knox if you wish, which is a secure space for all your private data. Just in case your phone goes missing, you can go ahead and locate it, and it is pretty easy. So all we have to do now is click finish. And that is the initial setup of the Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge.